The strongest type of retaining wall, well, it depends on the situation. If you're 4 feet and under, your classic gravity style retaining wall is sufficient. We tend to favor the Rockery retaining walls because individually each piece is much heavier than using a sectional block. So we prefer a rock. But the block, as long as it's rated by the manufacturer to go up to 3 or 4 foot, then we're fine there as well. Those are strong. The Rockery is stronger though. If you have to go higher than that, then they will engineer a type of backfill with GeoGrid, and that will help stabilize all of the backfill. In essence, makes the entire section as a retaining wall. That's much stronger because the forces pressing against that wall are much greater. And so that would be called an engineered retaining wall.